3 on the machine.
And now we enter our section and choose the parameter. And the first step, we need to clean the glass, crystals, and the cutter head. And moving the glass to counterpart. And in the displays, the mask should be aligned in the screen. And use the weakened option. And then set the curve. And set the protective. And the counterpart of our electrode. And then put the Teflon on it. And then moving our curve to align. The left and the right side should be aligned together, as you can see it in the screen. And the mark point should be aligned, and also the line. And menu cutter head. And view the line if it is clearly. And cancel. And press two of these buttons together. And now the cutter head fall down. And close the weakened option. And now we wait the cutter head cooling down. And now we finish one top size bonding. And we turn to the PCB size bondings now. And also the first step, we clean the PCB board and the glass. And set the protective film. And transfer our PCB's camera. And check the light if it's a light in the display. And don't select our cutter head. And the curve alongside should be aligned. And press the cutter head again. And put the silicone rubber in it. And choose the PCB glass parameter. And press these two buttons again. And wait the cutter head cooling. 超过5分钟。这样你的手机像素好一点。不是公司吗？哦，对啊，我好像感觉我那个手机拍没有那么清。哎呀，已经用了1G 流量。And now we finish. 整个过程。